we are. Aloha, everyone. Here we are at 323 Iliaina Street in Kailua, in the Aloha of Kailua, at this special time, at this beautiful residence of our future owners. This place embodies a great deal of mana and history. In Hawaiian culture, this is as Wahine Mau and Hi'aka Opele would travel through the islands. They stopped here. This hali is located right in the body near Ikahi Park, overlooks what's known today as Mokapu, was once always referred to as Mololadi in old Hawaii. It was a special place for ali'i, special place for fishing, special place for many of our Hawaiian cultural stories of people coming down, going down Kawainui stream, which goes into the Kawainui marsh, which goes up into Maunawili. But this is in that special place, and so we're here to bless it this morning. We're going to bless it with the an Ole Aloha, which speaks to tribute and values that are embodied in the home and in both Kamohai and Tristyn as they embark in providing halis for families to share their memories, to raise their children, and to host others. It's located on Iliaina Street. Like Ili is to inherit. And so here, this family will be inheriting the aina, or this place, this land. And this area very nearby Akahi subdivision. And I means it sometimes to say yes to something. Kahi means to steer. Often in Hawaiian culture, in the Aikahi area, which this oversees, is when you kahi, you use your fingers in a poi bowl, and you kahi and you nourish yourself. So it's part of that spirit that goes into this song of Aloha that talks about the importance of kindness, living together as a family, being strong, seeing strength in one another, looking for ways to be agreeable as we go through our different discussions, showing that through servant leadership and being ha'a, we can emulate those values that we want to be embodied for generations to come. And to Amonui to be very patient with one another, but eventually to emerge victorious in those goals, aspirations that are important to families and communities. And this is a gift and a story that can be passed down from generation to generation. So I'm just going to share this mele with you. That was, the words were written by Atipilahi Paki, but the mele was actually put together by Aldo Mokeale. Called Aloha.
Hakulike Olu Kamanao Hako Kulana Aunui Alana Kilaye Hakalahai Ina Hawaii no ke aloha no kaumea nui e o mai ina Hawaii na pualei na mamo na pualei na mamo Iala mai Kalaui Laui E kaulana E umai ka lehu Hae o Hawaii Hawaii Ina Hawaii no ke aloha no kaumea nui e o mai ina Hawaii na pualei na mamo na pualei Namamo.
Aloha. Here we are, 323 Iliaina. Aloha, mahalo.